How to download and install the Samsung ML-1660 laser printer driver on Windows. Follow these detailed steps. Open your web browser and enter your printer model number, Samsung ML-1660 laser printer driver, in the search bar. From the search results, go to the website, click on the exact printer model that matches yours. The website should automatically detect your operating system. If it doesn't, select it manually from the drop-down menu. Locate the appropriate driver for your Windows version, usually listed under Driver Universal Print Driver, and click Download. This will initiate the download of the driver file to your computer. Once the download is complete, open the downloaded file. This usually involves double-clicking on the file to run the installer. Follow the on-screen prompts to install the driver. The installer will guide you through the necessary steps, such as agreeing to the terms and conditions and choosing an installation location. During or after the installation process, you might be prompted to connect your printer to the computer. Use a USB cable to connect the Samsung ML-1660 to your PC. Make sure the printer is powered on. The installation process may automatically detect the printer and complete the setup.